In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your Google Sheets file as an Excel using your iPhone. So when you want to save a Google Sheets file in the Microsoft Excel format, here's how to do it. So I have this file right here titled Movies. And if I want to save it in Excel format, all I have to do would be to tap on this ellipsis at the right side of that file. There we go. And here we have our options, and right at the top we have Save as Excel. So compared to when we want to try and save a file into a different format, we have a lot more options with the Android. So with the iPhone, the only option you have would be to save it as an Excel. So if you tap on that, it will tell you saving as Excel, one item uploading, and all uploads completed. So right now this file is opened in Excel format. If we go to the ellipsis at the top right corner, there you have it. It will tell you that this file is in Excel format already. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to save a file in Excel format using your Google Sheets app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.